Precision International is proud to have been named a GM Supplier of the Year for 5 consecutive years by General Motors. Precision is in the bag.
At Precision International, we perform inspections on every part we receive. This process enables us to make certain that the parts we include in our kits are the right parts. Pete Zavakis, one of our R&D engineers, explains our sample inspection process.
Hi, I'm Pete Zavakos. I'm a research and development engineer here at Precision International for 11 years now. I'm going to take you through our sample inspection process. We do sample inspections on many different types of parts. A few examples include your basic O-rings and lathe cut seals, gaskets, sealing rings, metal and plastic, metal clad seals, and more complex parts like molded pistons. The parts that we receive to be inspected could be either newly developed parts that are coming in for the first time, or they could be existing parts that are coming in from a different vendor for the first time. Today, I received a D-ring from one of our vendors, and I will take you step by step through the inspection process of this D-ring. First thing that we want to do is give it a visual inspection to make sure it's free from any flashing, nicks or cuts, or mold defects. A D-ring has 3 critical measurements that we are concerned with in our inspection: the inner diameter, the axial wall, or the thickness of the D-ring, and the radial wall, which is the distance from the inner diameter to the outer diameter. To measure the axial wall and radial wall, we would use our caliper to obtain those measurements. To measure the inner diameter of the D-ring, we'll have to go downstairs to the quality control department to use their manual table. To measure the inner diameter of this D-ring, we simply place it on our manual table. We put it on the correct step, and then we use our chart to find the inner diameter of the D-ring.
Thanks, Pete. One last point, in addition to testing parts for size, we also test the composition of the parts to make certain they meet our requirements.
To analyze the rubber compound of this D-ring, we use a device called an infrared spectrophotometer. We've been using the infrared spectrophotometer for many, many years now, and it was custom made to suit our rubber analyzing needs. It is more accurate and much safer than conventional methods of rubber analysis. I'm now going to place the D-ring onto the infrared spectrophotometer, put it into position, and now it is ready for me to run a scan. When the scan is complete, a printout is created, and it will give us a detail of what material and what vendor the D-ring consists of. As per this scan, it meets the needs of our blueprint.